Have you noticed something strange in crypto? The price is stable, then suddenly boom, a massive pump or a violent crash. And most traders are caught off guard every single time. Today I'll uncover how crypto whales actually move the market using real data. A crypto whale is any wallet holding a massive amount of tokens. But whales aren't rich investors. They include early Bitcoin adopters, hedge funds, exchanges, and institutional players. And their movement can shift the entire market. But the real question is not who they are, it's what they do. On-chain data reveals whale activities in real life. When large amounts of Bitcoin or Ethereum move to exchanges, it often signals selling pressure. When whales withdraw coins to cold wallets, it usually signals accumulation. This is one of the biggest signals smart traders watch. Whales don't just buy or sell randomly, they target liquidity zones. That means area where most traders have stop losses, liquidation points. Prices often moves towards these zones first before reversing direction. This creates the illusion of manipulation. Common whale behavior includes fake breakouts, liquidity sweeps, sudden dumps before rallies. These move triggers panic selling or forced liquidations. Then whales re-enter at lower prices. But there's something even more important than price movements. Exchange inflow and outflow reveal whale intent. Rising inflow, potential sell pressure. Rising outflow, accumulation phase. This is how analytics tracks smart money. But it's not perfect, because whales often disguise their movements. Whales don't control the market completely, but they influence it through liquidity, volume spikes, and sentiment shifts. In low liquidity conditions, even a single large trade can move prices dramatically. That's why crypto is more sensitive than traditional markets. You can't stop whales, but you can avoid being their exit liquidity. Because smart traders track on-chain data, avoid over-leveraging, and wait for confirmation, not emotion. Understanding whale behavior is your biggest advantage. Whales don't need to cheat the system, they are the system. The question is, are you trading with them or against them? Comment below. Have you ever been caught in a whale move? If this video helped you, please smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto market breakdowns. Till then, hope to see you in the next video.